let's talk about market structure. The market basically move in three directions. Uptrend. Another name for uptrend is bullish. Bullish was developed from how bull react. So I don't know whether you have noticed when a bull is angry and is fighting, what does it usually use in fighting? Normally it is its horns. Normally it bend down like this, and then it use the horn to what? Strike, to lift you up. Aha. So the coin that way, bullish for bull. So when bull is fighting, usually do this. It use its horn to lift you up. So it shows that prices are going what? Up. That is where the term was what? Derived. So bullish. When you say bullish or uptrend, it means what? Prices are going up. So when you go to your chart, you see that prices are running up like this. Good. Then we have downtrend. 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 As the name suggests, down, meaning prices or candles are what? Coming what? Down. And another word for downtrend is what? Bearish. Bearish. That one also comes from, it would come from bear. If you have watched movies before or you have seen physical bear before, when a bear is fighting, normally when it gets its prey, it put it down, then tear it, scatter it before it eats its prey. So because of that, they use that term, they coin that term bearish from how bears behave whenever they get a prey. So when you hear bearish, it means prices of an asset are going what? Down. Good. So normally when you open your chart, this is what you see. You see something like this. Price what? Coming down. Aha. From up to what? Down. Then here too. Then there are some times you don't know where price is going. Price will be doing something like this. So when you see price going sideways like this, it is called consolidation. Consolidation. So over here, price is either going up or coming down. It is ranging. There is no clear signs that price is going up or coming down. So when it's reached like this, we call it what? Consolidation. So before you enter a trade, first ask yourself, what is price doing? And this is how you use the market structure to trade. Whenever you see price going uptrend, don't look for a place to sell. No. You have to join the trend because price is trending upside. So what should you do? You look for a good entry, a good position to buy. When price is also coming down, downtrend, what do? Do you buy? No. Though within the uptrend, you see that candles are going up and then coming down like this. You see that though price is heading downwards, but you see that it will be creating pullback like this. Aha. But the best position for you is what? Look for a good position to what? Sell. In consolidation, most time I advise to newbies not to trade. Aha. Because consolidation, we don't know where price will move next. Good. Aha. Uptrend. We have seen that price is moving like this. What do? We look for good position to what? Buy. So the market doesn't go straight. Within the uptrend, the market does not go straight like this. Boom. No. It will go up whenever it creates a high. Usually there will be a pullback. The market will look like it is coming down, but it's not actually coming down. It's a pullback that it is creating. So when you see a sell over there, you buy from there. Because even if you buy here and your stop loss is wide enough, you may be in a small loss, but your stop loss will not be triggered. And in the long run, you will still be in what? Profit. But imagine you are trading against the trend. Like we are in uptrend and you are selling here. What will happen? If market doesn't reach your take profits, it will come and then hit your stop loss and then go like that. It is like fighting against water currents. Whenever there is a flow of water and you are trying to swim against it, you realize that at the end of the day, you get tired and then you'll be carried away by the water. But when you try to move along with the current, it will be easier for you to swim because the current is already moving. So small efforts you put, you'll be carried away by the water current. The same thing applies to trading. So whenever you see that price is running up, look for a good position to buy. Don't trade against the trend. Trading against the trend is a suicide. The same thing applies to what? Downtrend. So when you open your chart, especially on a higher time frame like 1 hour, mostly look at price from higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, a day. What you realize is price will be moving like this. So if you see it clearly, you realize that price is moving what? Downwards. So when price is moving downwards, what do? We sell. We are not trying to trade against the trend because it's obvious and it is clear that the trend is what? Trending what? Down. So over here, we look for a good position, then what? We sell. Usually there will be a pullback. Price will not go straight like this. No. There will be a pullback. So you sell at the pullback location. Then you place your stop loss there. I'm not saying automatically price will not hit your stop loss, but when you sell during a downtrend, the probability for market to respect your trade bias is higher than trading against the trend. So whenever you see downtrend like this and you want to buy, you are catching a falling knife. Probability for you to get injured is very, very high. So that is why in trading there is this term, trade with the trend, never trade against the trend. So when we say trade with the trend and not against the trend, it means follow what price is showing you. Price is trending down, you look for good position to what? Sell. So we sell during a downtrend and we buy during uptrend. If you follow this procedure, you are going to have a smooth trading journey. And in the long run, you go with the trend. Good. Then we have something we call consolidation. During consolidation, price is not going up either way, coming down. You see that it will be ranging like this. So on the board here, you realize that when price reach a certain point over here, it tends to what? When you come down here, when price also reach this area here, price tends to what? Reverse. That is what? Consolidation. And when price reach here, as a newbie, I advise you not to trade. But if